Hello everyone, so in this video is how to enter and exit the maintenance mode of Brother Intellifax 2840. So entering the maintenance mode, press menu, start, and then arrow button up 4 times. So at first, press menu, then start, and then 4 times arrow button up. So as you can see in the screen, under in maintenance mode. So we are now in maintenance mode. So then we can enter so many function code. So let's say let's enter the function code 01. So in 01, it is AF from parameter initialization. So that's function code, parameter initialization, and then another one, 05, which is the print out of the scanning compensation data. So that's the function code for going to enter the function code. So it's printing now. So as you can see, print out of the scanning compensation data. That's the function code 05. So if we're going to exit, press the function code 99. So and then just wait for a while. Restarting. Now it's done. Thank you for watching.